I don't know how we're going to top this system that I'm learning right now because it is superb.
I had a need that wasn't quite being filled, and I believe that what I saw this weekend, that's going to change.
What I was looking for was something that was missing in the implant protocol that I was doing before.
We're here to learn something we know something about, but not as much as we really should.
Very much like this course. It's a 2-day straightforward. I thought it was very intense.
The live surgeries actually allows you to see how to implement the science and the background of these types of implants and the restorations firsthand. The doctor that's doing the surgery and you in the classroom watching it on the screen is amazing. They do such a great job. It's almost like they know what you want to see.
I would definitely recommend this course to anybody, even the experienced surgeon. I think they'll be blown away.
And then when you get a chance to do the hands-on part, that's where you really get an understanding and a feel for what we're doing.
It's like in dental school. You get a feel for the drills, a feel for placing the implants, what to do, what not to do.
We're being shown practical things.
If you know the people who are involved in all this, there's a great history that's already been shown to be successful.
And everybody is very helpful. I appreciated that too.
Whether you're a beginner or whether you're a seasoned veteran in implantology, you got to find out about OsseoPure.
Any dentist, general dentist, periodontist, oral surgeon, whatever, should be looking at this program.
And that's what I like about coming to these courses, is that it's packaged very nicely for you to be able to go back home and get started and do the quality of work that you're hoping to achieve in your practices.
I think this might add maybe a few more years to my career.
Very impressed, very impressed.
I am thoroughly impressed, and I couldn't be happier that I came.
It is unbelievable.
I think you got a pretty good thing going.
I love it. You won't be disappointed.
I'm glad I came all the way out here.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your course. I appreciate it.